How to enable 120 FPS on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. In the Vision section at the top, tap on Motion. On this page, you can manage various settings related to the motion of the user interface. Now, at the bottom of this page, here you will find the limit frame rate option. Tap on the toggle switch beside it to turn this feature off. This will enable the 120 Hz promotion display, allowing for a smoother visual experience and higher frame rates in supported apps and games. Following these steps, you can easily enable 120 FPS on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.